So hello everyone, today we are going to solve the question of BitMask on CodeForces. So let's go and see. So in the previous videos, we have solved these questions, and today we are going to solve this NIT ORG. Okay, so what this question says, let's study first. Uh, so NIT, the clever, is in a new in a town, and thousands of people line up to urge him to keep his orders entertained. And Nate decided to let them solve the following problem related to object. So can you solve this problem too? So we have to solve this problem. This problem says you have given an array of one based indexing integer n of n size basically, and ai is the ai and an integer z. So you can do the following operation any number of possibly any number possibly 0 or 0 times. So select a positive integer I such that I belongs to 1 to n, and then simultaneously set ai to ai or z and set z to ai and z. So basically or is represented the bitwise or operation, and here is represented bitwise and operation. Okay, so now our main goal is find the maximum possible value of maximum value in A after any number, possibly 0 of operation. Okay. So we have given an array and Z as well. So we have to perform this operation to and maximize the basically we have to maximize the possible value of A in array. Okay. So let's see. If we have you can see here given in the example, in the first test case we have the size of array is 2 and the n, basically this is the z, which is 3, and we have two elements in array 3 and 4. So what we will do here, we select the ith index, means we select the first index value, that is ai. So when I, this is this is 3z basically, right? And this is a a means first element of array. So when we take the odd operation with them, result will be 3, and our z will be, and here you can see no operation is there, a will be a or z, and z will be a and z. Okay, so we are taking here and operation, and we are taking here or operation. So after that 3 or 3 will be 3, and 3 and 3 also be 3. Okay, and if we do the operation with I is equals to 2, here you can see the I is equals to 2 is basically value 4. So when we took 4, so 4 or 3 means z, 4 or z is equals to 7, and z becomes now 4 and 3, that is 0. So following we can perform any number of possible, there is no restriction. So our main goal is maximize the value of ai in the array. So you can see here in the 3 operation we get the maximum value as 7. So 7 will be our answer. Okay, okay. So as you can see the example number fourth test case, this is 1 2 3 and 4, and here. So how we can solve this question? The problem is that, yeah. So let's open whiteboard and discuss first what we can do. Yes, so you can see, you can observe something. For the array element, we are taking odd, right? And for the updating that, we are taking always and, right? So if we take the example something like, just take 02468. So basically we have n is equals to 5, and z value is also 5, right? And this is basically n, right? Okay, so and we have given the 5 value of arrays 5, because size of array is 5. So this is 1 sorry 0 2 0 2 4 6 and 8. So these are the values of the array, right? And our goal is maximize it. So you can see, you can see here, our goal is maximize the value of array, means particular index value. So in first we have to select, first we have to select one of the index. This is index 1, this is index 2, this is index 3, and this is index 4, and this is index 5. Okay. So if we talk about the brute force approach, what we will do, we will take one element and do operation with z. That operation is defined in a question. But this is a not a good approach. What we can see here, we can observe something, and that is shown by AND operator. Means we are always taking the AND with z, AND operation with z. So we can surely say that z value will not increase. It always still remains same, or it will decrease. Z value can't be increased. कभी नहीं increase हो सकता, right? So we can observe something. So whatever the value given in a z, that will be our maximum value. We cannot increase the value of z. This is the first thing. Okay. And second thing, that here we are doing OR operation, right? Means in OR operation, whatever we are going to add, it always increase, right? If we have something like 1010, so when we add something like 5101, it will increase. This is 1111, right? So how we can maximize the value of the array element? Obviously we have to add, and our what value? The maximum value. We want to add the maximum value, right? And we know that z value is not increase. Z value will not increase. It will, the maximum value of z is given with us, because when we are let's say we have given something one, let's say z value is 4. Let's say z value is 4, and when we take AND operation with any number, let's say let's say 6, right? So no, this is 0, this is 1 1 and 0, this is basically 6. So when we are going to take the AND, it will remain 0, it will remain 0, and it will 1. So it is still 4. And last, before the operation it was 4, and now it is 4. So the value of z cannot increase. It either remains constant or it will decrease, right? So this is the funda we can observe. So what we will do, we know the z value will not increase, so maximum value of z is this. Now our goal is select the ith index. So obviously we are going to select the maximum value in the array. So in this given array, what is the maximum value? What is the maximum value? 8. Yeah, this is 8. So we just take the odd operation 8 and with 5. So when we take the odd with 5 and 8, 5 is nothing but 101, and 8 is nothing but 100 and 0, and it is 0. So when we take odd, it will be 1, it will be 0, it will be 1, it will be 1, and this is nothing but 13. So you can see this is the second test case, and answer is 13. Let's say another example. Let's say this one. Here z value is 7, and maximum value in this array is nothing but 30, sorry. So when we are going to take 30, write the binary of 30. So this is 16 and 8 24 and 4 28 and 2 30, and this is 0. So this is nothing but 30, and z value is what? Z value is 7. So this is 7 is 1 1 1, and when we take all of them is 1 1 1, and this is nothing but 31. So you can see answer is 31. So I hope you understand the main idea, main concept of this question. So let's go and code it out. Just open the code editor. Yeah. So we have given two things, that is n and z. So we are going to take input n as well as z. Now after that we are going to take n input. Or why we are going to storing all this value? We can just track the maximum value, and no need to create an array itself, right? So for we are going to iterate the loop n times, and we just track the maximum value, right? So let's say int maxi is equals to int min, right? And after that we will say maxi is equals to max of maxi comma min, that is a. Then after that we get the maxi, and then we can see out, that is the maxi or whatever given z, and that is our answer, right? So something went wrong here. We have to uh, uh, why it is giving error? Cannot determine which instance of function template indel. Let's say we are storing somewhere. Let's say ans this, and now we are going to print ans, right? So this is the, so let's copy the test case and let's see. These are the answer. Okay, so let's run it. It is giving error. Something went wrong here. Int main, redefinition of int main. Where? Oh, sorry. I have to comment this. This is the previous code basically. So let's run again. And something went wrong. Why it is giving incorrect answer? 730, 1131, and 474893. Okay. So let's say what is the problem? So let's store in something in long. I thought it is giving error. It is still giving error. Why? Okay, not this is basically. So I think all is okay. We have we can input A and we are comparing it with maxi and questioning the maximum value. After that, we are taking the question this. Yeah, this is okay, but why we are getting wrong answer for the last? Here it is a. Let's see the question and something went wrong. Z will be in the range of 2 raised to the power 30. Okay, lesser than 2 raised to the power 30. So this is a number and we are going to take on with this. That says not cross this. The 2 raised to the power 30 value is basically okay. So one thing we can do, this is Z. Why it is giving us wrong answer? Must have interior or type. Z is double. Okay. I I thought we write binary of, let's say, but it says that question says x is between this. What is the problem? Why it is giving wrong? Okay. So What we will do, we have to think something different, because why it is giving wrong, I don't know. It should give correct answer, but why it is giving wrong? Maximum, and we are taking all. What we can do, um, let's let's think what we can do. We have to think some other approach. So what we will do here, it might be possible we can get a greater value for other value as well. If we, let's say, we can do one something, we can do some person. Okay, so let's this test case, and another consider it a new. And okay, an answer is basically expected is this, right? Okay, so what we will do, um, let's say, let's take this inside the loop, and after that, when we take the input, uh, we just take it with a, right, and comment it for a timing and out, and see out the answer. Okay, so let's see what is happening here. As you can see, this is our expected, and these are the required. So that means it might be possible, it might be possible. So come to the whiteboard first. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so okay, it might be possible something like that if we have a value, let's say, what we can do, what we can think. Let's say we have value something like 14. So what is the boundary of 15? That is, we have 8 and 4 and this, right? So this is 12, sorry, 14. Okay. And let's suppose we have 2. Okay, we have 2. So when we are going to take the XOR with it, sorry, yes, OR with it, this is 0, this is 1, this is 1, and this is 1. And still it is 14, right? But if we are going to take OR with 1, then what will happen? It will be 1, 1, 1, 1, and this time it gives 15. So what we are doing a mistake that we are considering a maximum value, but it might be possible that will be not a maximum after performing a OR operation. So you can see the example here. Here we have 14 and we have 2 because if we have 1 and 2, so we are going to consider 1 and 2. That's it. So suppose Z value is 14, right? And A has two elements, that is 1 and 2. So in this previous approach, we are considering 2, right? And when we are considering 2 and we perform the OR operation with 14, it will give 14 itself. But if we are considering 1, then it will give 15. So this is the catch, right? So let's see and uh, let's go and solve this. So what we will do here, we just maintain the maximum value, right? So here we are going to take the maximum of maxi, comma, A and S, right? And after that we will print maxi. That's it, and just define the max ANS outside the loop basically. Okay, so done and dusted. Uh, let's run and see it's working or not. What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? We have seen now that it was giving a correct answer. Okay, let's run it once again and see. 48234367. This is the actual answer. Okay, actually we were printing max answer, na? That's why we are getting wrong. We have to print maxi, right? That's why we are getting wrong answer. That's my bad. Here we are going to print maxi, right? So now let's see. Still something went wrong. Where is the problem? Okay, this is basically ANS. Now it's passed. So let's submit it and see it's working or not. Just submit it and I hope it will be accepted. Let's see. Let's refresh. Yeah, it is accepted. So, okay, in the next video, we will discuss the next problem for timing. Keep learning, keep going. Bye bye. Good night.